Hey tech enthusiasts! It's been far too long since Apple graced us with a significant iPad mini upgrade, but the wait might finally be over. Today, we're diving deep into the rumored iPad mini 7 Pro. This isn't just a refresh, it's a potential game changer for the compact tablet market. So buckle up as we explore everything we know and speculate on about this highly anticipated device. The need for an upgrade, let's face it, the iPad mini has been a beloved member of the Apple family. Its portability and ease of use have made it a favorite among students, professionals, and casual users alike. However, the competition in the compact tablet space has intensified. Devices with larger screens, impressive specs, and innovative features have been stealing the spotlight. It's high time for Apple to step up their game. iPad mini 7 Pro, a new era. The rumors are swirling, and they're painting a picture of an iPad mini that's more than just a refresh. Let's break down the key expectations. OLED display, a visual feast. One of the most exciting rumors is the potential for an OLED display. If true, this would be a massive leap forward for the iPad mini. Imagine richer colors, deeper blacks, and improved contrast. This could elevate the viewing experience to a whole new level, making it perfect for everything from binge-watching shows to editing photos. Size matters a little, balancing portability and screen real estate. While the iconic compact form factor is expected to remain, there's talk of a slightly larger display. This can mean a more immersive experience without sacrificing portability. It's a delicate balance, but if executed right, it could be a winning formula. Power under the hood. We can't talk about a new iPad without discussing the processor. Expect the iPad mini 7 Pro to pack a serious punch. Whether it's the A16 Bionic or even a potential M-series chip, performance is expected to be a highlight. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle demanding tasks with ease. Camera improvements capture every moment. The iPad mini has always been more than just a consumption device. Many users rely on it for photography and videography. That's why camera improvements are crucial. Expect upgrades to both the front and rear cameras, with features like improved low-light performance, wider dynamic range, and potentially even enhanced video capabilities. 5G, speed and connectivity. In today's world, fast internet is essential. The iPad mini 7 Pro is rumored to support 5G connectivity, allowing you to download files faster, stream high-quality content seamlessly, and enjoy lag-free online gaming. Design refinements. A familiar friend with a fresh look. While we expect the iconic iPad mini design to remain intact, subtle refinements could be in store. Thinner bezels, new color options, and improved build quality are all possibilities. The goal is to maintain the beloved form factor while giving it a modern touch. Potential features and speculations. While we have a pretty good idea of what to expect, there's always room for surprises. Here are some potential features that could make the iPad mini 7 Pro even more enticing. Asterisk mini LED display for even brighter and more detailed visuals. Asterisk promotion technology for smoother scrolling and animations. Asterisk Face ID, a possibility but it might be challenging to implement on a compact device. Asterisk expanded Apple Pencil capabilities, more features and integration for Apple Pencil users. Release date and pricing. The iPad mini 7 Pro is rumored to launch alongside the new iPhone models in September. As for pricing, we can expect a premium over the previous generation due to the expected upgrades. The iPad mini 7 Pro has the potential to be a game changer for the compact tablet market. With rumors of a stunning OLED display, powerful performance, and improved cameras, it's shaping up to be a device that both existing iPad mini users and new customers will be excited about. We'll continue to keep an eye on the rumors and bring you the latest updates. Stay tuned. What do you think about the iPad mini 7 Pro rumors? Let us know in the comments below.